Okay, look at this brand new floor plan. The Jayco Eagle 230 MCLS. Really cool. Best part is that it is under 30 feet. You're getting so much in this trailer. Lots of luxury, good quality, and while keeping it under an amazing price point. As you can see looking at this view here, look how nice this front end looks. There's so much room to look out, having that natural light come in. That front cap is just fantastic. Lots of storage around too. You've got your theater seating looking across here to the TV up top while having the dinette as well. And then you've got a really nice space for your kitchen, lots of counter space, and a fantastic sink. Really nice job done here. And then you've got a smooth transition into the washroom itself. So really good fit and finish on this. Jayco's done a great job, and once again, it's under 7,000 pounds and it is under 30 feet. This is absolutely amazing. Let's go take a quick peek outside because I want to show you the front cap. So huge pass-through storage here with the awning coverage along the whole way, but the main point is this front cap. Look how clean that looks. Super nice. The fit and finish on this as well. It's a really nice, there's a little bit etched in there and it's lit up as well. It looks really good. Clean look by Jayco Eagle. I'm very excited.